dependable God. It doesn't matter what comes my way, you are still God.
Odoyewu, I know by now you understand the meaning of Odoyewu because of the song from Kiss Daniel. Yes, Odoyewu means love is death. So I will love you till death. Odoyewu. Me no done it there. You no go crush. So you are my Odoyewu. Welcome back to a new vlog. I ended a vlog now. So I returned from a journey about 5 minutes ago and I want to start a new vlog. I am currently cleaning the house, but I saw one of my neighbors going to fill his cylinder, so I gave him two of mine. I gave him two to fill for me. In the meantime, I have some soup in the freezer. Yes, so I have put one in water, and I got this plantain for 10 cedis. Yes, I got this plantain for 10 cedis. My brother got some for his family. So this cassava I did not buy. The cassava is like jara. It's like jara because my brother bought a lot. So the woman had to give me this as jara. I bargained for the jara though. So as I clean, yes, I have to. The house is stuffy. Please forgive me if I'm sounding like a faulty radio. It's the weather. I think we are kissing Hamatan gradually. I look tired. Yes, I am tired. I am hungry, but I have to clean the house before I can sleep. I'm not going to walk you through that because I don't have enough space on my phone, but should anything fascinating comes up, I will hook you up. I will hook you up. Until then, chop kiss. Good afternoon. How do you do? Okay, I'm running my laundry and the fan here too is on. So if you are hearing some unusual noise, then it's coming from these two sources. A while ago, I had a call to come and pick up my order I made from Jumia. Those of you abroad, just as you have Alibaba, Temu, Jumia, Alibaba, Temu, Amazon and the rest, we also have one that is common to, I think, Ghana and Nigeria. It's called Jumia. So I ordered this watch. Nature's husband gave it to me and it came with a black strap. So I ordered one about a month or so ago. Then after testing the watches, I realized that the quality, the size and everything is what I ordered against what I expected. So it's not what I ordered, but what I got. It was the actual. So I ordered another 2 colors. I don't remember the colors, but I think I'm cool with this one. I wanted red, but they didn't have red. But this one is a typical example of what I ordered versus what I got. Them do me while you. This is not what I ordered. This is not. It wasn't like this. There were some. They had perforated. They had perforated. Anyway, it's not exactly what I ordered, but then once it can serve the purpose, I am okay with it. I told you in a vlog that I had bought some baskets to organize my deep freezer. This is it. I got two. So I'm coming to wash and then start doing the organizing. I want to do this because I want to keep track of what I have in my freezer at all times. I've realized that I don't spend less of what I was spending when Nature and Mommy were here, which is bad. So I want to really track what I buy. I realized that I spend so much on food. Yes, I spend so much on food, so I want to reduce the number of times I cook. I give out a lot, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to stop, but then I'm going to reduce the rate. So this is how worse it is right now. If I cook and I don't share, I feel like I am mean, I feel like I am wicked, I feel like I don't like sharing. That is how I feel, and I want to correct it. So that is why I want to reduce the number of times I give out. Yesterday I told you that I was going to fill my cylinder, and brothers and sisters, let me frown. Brothers and sisters, yesterday I was shocked. I don't remember the last time I filled my cylinder, but yesterday the 11 kg was 180 cedis, 1.8 million cedis, and then the 15 kg 220, 2.2. So in all I spent 4,400,000 Ghana cedis on gas yesterday, and I was when he called and gave me the bill, it was going run merry-go-round. Who sent me? The 11 kg is for nature. So when the gas got finished, I thought she would be packing any moment soon. That's why I did not fill that cylinder. Then the 15 kg also got finished, and I had to fill the two at the same time. It's something that I'm not going to do again. If you are in Accra and you want to make a purchase, let's do a little geography here. Assuming you live in Kaswa, Kaneshi, or Doko, and you pick a car to Accra through the Graphic Road, or you are coming to Accra through Adabraka Market, Roxy to Kingsway, when you are coming from all these places, you alight at railways, not CMB. You alight at railways, and then you cross the road to Okainshi. When you cross the road, there is a bank. I think it's called UMB Bank. Then you walk in front of that bank and you enter Okainshi. You go through the drag lane to the next street. Or from the bank, you head towards UTC or the Accra Post Office. Pardon me, I'm still struggling with code. So you get to another junction. On that junction, there is a shop that deals in plastic products. It's called the Chandirams or so. So you use that lane and go towards the Mokola main gate. I said we are doing geography, so let me use some of the geographical terms. So from the Chandirams, you'll be coming from the south. You get to a junction, you have your west, your east, and your north. So you still go to the north, you go straight towards Makola. You get to another junction, still from the south. Then on that junction, there's a story building on your left. The first shop under that story building, that is where I got those plastic containers from. And then from that building, the next building is a commercial bank. From Mokola, you'll be coming from the north at this point. So you head towards the south, and then on your right hand, on the first 4 junction, we call it in Kwantana in Akan, the shop is on your right. But when you are coming from the Chandirams, the shop is on your left. And as you can see here, I had a lot in the freezer that I had even forgotten about. By way of information, my freezer is 200 liters. So I got these plastic bags from Nature. She also deals in plastic bags. So some of them comes in these bags. They don't sell these bags in isolation. So I realized that I had much more than the freezer could contain with this new setup, but I was able to maneuver my way out. If you ask me whether it's worth it, I will say yes, and I recommend. I'm saying yes because with this I can track what I have. But if you keep your freezer on and off intermittently, you are not going to have everything frozen with this kind of arrangement. Before I take leave of you, I want to say thank you so much for sticking and staying with me from the beginning up to this time. And thank you so much, Imelda, for the inspiration. Whenever you say a prayer, don't forget to say one for me.